building construction is booming here in the Middle East. The state, there's a building which is like a paper fold. This building that's coming up here is a bank. First bank in China. No, here in Kuwait, built by the Chinese. As you can see, China construction are building these buildings, coming up at a speed faster than anybody could do it. NBK Bank. The bank you know and can trust. Well, that's the motto of this bank here in Kuwait. And that trust has been given to the Chinese to build this mega structure here in Kuwait City that's going to rise faster than we can actually catch up with the height of this structure. What's really interesting is that the entire structure is being shipped out from China to Kuwait or Saudi, and by trailer they trail it onto Kuwait here. And I've been speaking to one of the contractors here, and they have been building at least 2 or 3 floors a day. You can see the welders working on it 24 hours a day, bringing the construction to a magnificent scale and bringing engineering. This is how the engineering is done. There's no creation here, there's no creativity. Oh, there is creativity, a lot of creativity with thinking and mathematical formulas and calculations to understand the wind to withstand, earth tremors to withstand, tornadoes to withstand. All of those have been considered as they make this building arise from absolutely nothing to what it is today. To start with, they make the core of the structure, which is the lift shaft, and then from there the engineering technological advances are put together by connecting floor by floor, stage by stage of this construction into one amazing and magnificent building, just like the one beside it.